London. This is my little sister, Jamie. This is our new show. Mom, Jamie's disappearing again. You can't keep using your special powers, Jamie. We have guests. Can I tell them the 5 rules in our house, London? Brush your teeth 2 times a day and floss. Always make your bed. Always make sure to ask for help when needed. Make good grades and be kind. Great job on the 5 house rules. Tell us your house rules. Those are some great house rules, right, Jamie? I learned so much today, and I learned to stop using my powers to disappear. Like and subscribe to see our next episode. We can't wait to see you there. Bye.